Hari dudu ya ministers ya haukafereno ministers atandatu ni hamwe na Henry Rotich wa kigina na Jibalala wa Oged na James Mashari wa Macungirira. Agene Dr. Fred Matiang'i urirugu ya hokero ministry ya ugitiri wa thini na kunyitirira kwa ihinda ministry ya githomo. Age Macungirira ni Charles Keter wa hinya uri huthikaga na Jomusharu wa ICT.
The Ministry of Interior and Coordination of Government, as well as Acting Minister of Education, Dr. Fred Matiang'i. The Ministry of Energy, the Honorable Charles Keter.
Ministers thirikari-ini enori Gavana watene wa Marsabit Ukur Yatani, Senator watene wa Turkana John Munyes na mutongoria wa thitago cia muingi Keriako Tobiko. Tobiko ni aneanite irua ria kweheria wira ta DPP kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta na akariamukira.
I have nominated and forwarded the names thereof to the Speaker of the National Assembly the following persons: for position of Cabinet Secretary, the Honorable John Munyes, the Honorable Ukur Yatani, and Mr. Keriako Tobiko. I have today accepted the resignation of Mr. Keriako Tobiko as Director of Public Prosecution.
Na President Uhuru Kenyatta ni adikire Speaker wa bunge ya Florida Justin Muturigororia kwa murugo wa tatuashio John Munyes, Ukur Yatani na Keriako Tobiko. President Uhuru Kenyatta kirane na kwa na ministers agi kiumia giyukite macungirira magera makoretwo thirikari-ini ya haukafereno wikaine. Hamwe nao ari Mwangi wa kiunjuri, Amina Mohamed, Prof Jacob Kaimenyi, Hassan Wario na Eugene Wamalwa. Agenesis Likariuki, Dr. Cleophas Mailu, Rachel Omamo, Dan Kazungu, Judy wa Hongo, Phyllis Kandie na Professor Githumuigai. Age maamurwo ari Joseph Kinyua uri no munene wa urituwira wa muingi na ke Wanyama Musiambo uri ukoretwo ari mutafania wa maundu ma thirikari gicigo-ini kia Rift Valley ari munini wake. Ngabana wa tene wa Nakuru Kinuthia Mbugua uri no controller wa thingira wa iregi na Nzioka wa itari munene wa urituwira thingira-ini wa iregi.
Over the next few weeks, I will be making further announcements to fill cabinet positions, to fill the positions of principal secretaries, as well as our sagas, as we continue to populate the government with those that will be charged with the responsibility of executing our agenda for the next 5 years.
Mwagaruku mage matafani ruhoge-ini rwa borithi Edward Jorogeri wari munini wa inspector wa borithi kwa ihinda. Age maamurwo ni George Kinoti ari munene wa CID kwa ihinda na Nur Gabao ari ruhoge-ini rwa wathani wa matura kwa ihinda. Ari metereire kuheo mawira mage ni Ndegwa Mohoro uri ukoretwo ari munene wa CID Samuel Aranchi na Joel Kitili. Lawrence Lenayapa nake amurwo ta barothi wa Kenya bũrũri-ini wa Netherlands. Grifotera Inoro TV ri tũrakona macharia wa Gashuru.